Hey Cheryl, this is Steph. I just want to send you something real quick. This is the Food Handlers website, and if you're looking for the product like manager up here, the manager, when you drop down and do the online course, the online course is what I took. This is for people who are managing and when they have to be hiring and buying and letting people go. That's the price. And I think that's probably what the guy is going to want to train the kids or would be part of. But all they need is food handlers. And this is the other food handlers exam. And when you look at that one online and you go to California, boom, this one is $15 to $18. That is the required certificate to be handling in any of your food service places in America. Okay, if someone's in management, that's where they go up and have managers. After you take the managers, then you can take the administration. They could teach the class. But all the students need is food handlers according to the state requirements, as well as our county requirements as well. Also, on the bottom of the screen, it says National Restaurant Association's got ServSafe. And this right here, the ANSI, they are actually the group that sends out and is the approving board, kind of like the WASC for food safety. So that is also on the other one I'll show you now. This is the eFood Handlers website that we used last year, and the kids got their training for free. I just want to point out that down here at the bottom, this also is ANSI state approved for California, and many other ones also for certification. So either one, if we have both of the cards given to the kids, that'd be great. All the kids are now taking online this course, and then we'll take the secondary course when you approve how you want them to get ServSafe. This card also provides managers training as well, and they also are, it depends on what you want to do. So, yeah, there you go. Managers, food handlers, and teachers. The teachers are where we get it for free. Anyway, so just heads up,